Hello and welcome back to Harvested Info. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off your camera, which is of course GoPro MAX 360, via application. Let's begin! So, as you can see, our GoPro here is live and kicking. However, we can easily change it to turn itself off. We can do that by first heading into our application. Let's ignore the fact that I am not logged in. Now we want to switch from albums to GoPro and simply hit power icon right here. Click power off, and as you can see, our GoPro is now powered off. And the same things can happen when we simply tap the power on, and after a few moments the GoPro should automatically power itself on. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.